So hello friends, once again I am here and let's talk about mutations in genetic code. So friends, as you know that the relationship between genes and DNA are best understood by the mutation studied. So you have studied about mutations and its effects in chapter 5. And in chapter 5 you have to talk about sickle cell anemia. How does sickle cell anemia influenced the person? So, effects of large lesion and rearrangement of a segment of DNA are easy to comprehend. So, it may result in the loss of gain of gene and so a function. The effects of point mutation will be explained here. A classical example of point mutation is change a single base pair in the gene for a beta globin and for a beta globin. So it results in diseased conditions called sickle cell anemia. How does this process takes place? So we have to talk about here a very good or classical examples of sickle cell anemia or point mutation here. But with point mutation also we will talk about frame shift mutations. A classical and beautiful example of frame shift mutations. So first we will talk about sickle cell anemia. So friends, you just look the peptides of this sickle cell anemia. So sickle cell anemia. So these are the polypeptide chain of amino acids. Clear? So this numbering of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So all these are amino acids which are interlinked in a polypeptide chain or in a protein, and the protein is called beta globin. Clear? So this is the correct sequence and we can say that is HbA peptide. But defect peptide is HbS. Now HbS peptide, how does? Same position, valine, histine, leucine, threonine, protamine, and in this position valine, and next position is also glutamine. So this is the HbS peptide. This is the HbS peptide. So code for glutamine is GAG, but this change and change code is GUG, GUG and GAG. So friends, as you know that here GAG is the code for glutamine acid or glutamate or glutamic acid. But if single base pair change, adenine convert into U, or U is in place of adenine here. So code is GUG and GUG code for valenines. So this peptide and this peptide HbA peptide, correct peptide, and this is the diseased peptide causing the disease. So due to this change or single base pair change, the oxygen binding capacity of RBC will be reduced, obviously. And second one is the shape of RBC become semicircular or crescentic shaped take become. So this is the classical examples of point mutation. So this is the example of point mutation. Clear? So another such a beautiful examples regarding frame shift mutation. Next example. So consider the statements that made up of the following words, such having three letters like genetic code. So we want I want to say that here. So in a statement just like a genetic code, because each and every word have three letters. So such beautiful examples is that frame shift mutation. Frame shift mutation. Clear? So such an example is first Ram has red cap. First point is, or first, this is the statements that of this statement or sentence, each and every word has three letters. So if we insert letter B in between two, has and red, between two, insert letter B. So after insertion, rearrange the statement. So it would read to follows like this: Ram has red cap. So we between red and has we insert a letter B between has and red. So B, REDCA and P. So it would read like this. Second one is again Ram has so in second, similarly, if we now insert two letters, like second letter is I, same place. So I, BRI, EDC and AP. It would read like this manner. Same place, first we insert B, one letter, second same place insert I letter. So it would read like this: Ram has BRIEDCAP. So informations correctly flow in that particular statement. Ram has red cap, Ram के पास लाल टोपी है, but rest two statements not confer the correct informations flow. So again, now we insert three letters together, say BIG, together say BIG. Ram has BIG, RED and CAP. So mutation can be over, but now the informations are correctly deciphered with the help of this statement after confirming mutations. So mutations big and mutations completely in a particular segment or in a frame takes place. So that's why this is called as frame shift mutation. Frame shift mutation, now informations are correctly explained. Ram has big red cap. Ram has big red cap. Is that clear? So if the same exercise can be repeated by the deleting the letters RED. RED means in this particular statements R E D, first R deleted, then E then D. So what happens when? So same simples. So one and remaining the statements to make the triplet words here, like Ram has Ram has red cap. But here you understand we deleted red one by one. First R, फिर E, फिर and D. So Ram has E, D, C, A, P. Because one letter deleted. So now we insert three letters. Sorry, not insert here. So another one is Ram has now deleted first R, now deleted E. So Ram has D C A and P. And third one is first R deleted, second E deleted. So R deleted EDC, E deleted DCA, and third one is Ram has D deleted, E deleted, cap, CAP. So these two examples, or such a beautiful these two examples, first examples of the insertion of base pair in a frame, and second examples deletion of complete frame. So the conclusions from the above exercise is very obvious. Insertion or deletion of one or two bases changes the reading frame from the point of the insertion or deletion. Mean to say that where insertion or deletion takes place in a particular frame, so particular frame, so their reading or their informations must be changed. Okay. So however, such mutations are referred to as frame shift mutation. Such mutations are referred to as frame shift mutation. Okay. Frame shift mutation or deletion mutation. Insertion or deletion, three or multiple bases insert or delete one or multiple codes. So hence one or multiple amino acids and reading frame remains unrelated. So that points onward informations are also changed. So this is the beautiful example of mutation, frame shift mutation and sickle cell anemia or point mutation. Thank you.